Okay, folks, I looked all over the interwebs and I could not find a way to fix the JK sun visor that comes unclipped because the little rubber on this bar comes apart. Here, I've cut it all off of there. The main thing, important thing here is that I figured out that you can unsnap this piece out of here. That bar does not run all the way through anything. It's not glued in. It's just snapped in there. So you can, actually I use some the door tools, pry tools to clearance, to dig in there and see if it was glued in there or molded together, but it wasn't, and it finally gave loose and snapped out. And the next thing you can do, see if I can do this one-handed, is pull this little bar out. So now I've got this bar that I can put whatever I want on there to replace what came off. I'm gonna try to do it with some heat shrink, some glue heat shrink that I purchased. Just start with the smallest one, slide it on there, cut it if I need to, and then I'll heat shrink it, get it to the right size, and see if that works. Stand by. Okay, got a little torch action. Gonna shrink this down. As you can see, it shrinks right away. Oops, I guess I gotta aim at it. Shrink that down. And now I'll put the next layer on there and keep going until I have it thick enough to match the original. Okay, got the torch ready. Got the next size up on there. And heat shrink that down. If I can hit it and aim the camera at the same time. All right, see what size that is and see if it fits. It may be still a little small. I'll go up another one. All right, this is the next size up. Already slid it on there, and since it's a little bit warm, it's already stuck, but I'll shrink this one down. All right, let's see if that's close enough. That is getting real close to the size. Let me let this cool off and see if it snaps into that piece in the overhead before I stop at that size. I may go up another size. Okay, it fit in there and sort of latched, but not quite tight enough. I don't think it'll hold the visor where I want it, so I'm gonna go one more size up, and I'll just cut it down to whatever fits once I get it shrunk down. I would like to add, I saw another video a gentleman did. He got a piece of hard tubing at Home Depot, and he just cut it and slid it down the side and stuck it on there, which I'm sure did the trick. He even glued it, but if he'd have known, he could have got this piece out. In fact, you might be able to get that metal rod out without even pulling it, without even unsnapping it out of there. I think if you spread it enough, now knowing the way it works, and then it didn't go very deep in there, I bet you can spread that out enough to get the rod out without even disassembling it out of there. Anyway, let me shrink this down and see how this works. But if I'd have had that piece of hard tubing like the other gentleman had in the video, that'd have been money. Okay, that last one I had to trim it a little bit. Just get your X-Acto knife and trim it down to the exact size you want on the ends. But I'm thinking, here's the original piece. I'm thinking this is, look at that, that's pretty close to the original size. So I got a lot of hope for this one. I'll go, and once it completely cools off, I'll go check it inside the Jeep and we'll reassemble. Well, it's snapped in there nicely. So I just snapped it back into this piece. And now we'll put this back together. Sorry, I'm not a pro at this, so I don't have all the selfie sticks and all that stuff and camera holder. But let me get this all back together and latched in there, and we'll give it a try. All back in, snapped it in there. It didn't take much, just had to use 2 hands. So let's screw the, that's the desk side up. Let's screw the visor back in there and see how it works. Okay, all screwed back in there. And I think it's gonna work fine. Snap. Bam. Yes, sir. How about you? Alrighty. That'll work. Hope this helps. You don't need to subscribe or like or anything. But I hope it helps you repair yours. And if you find a good source for that tubing, let me know, because that would be great to put a good piece of hard tubing in there. Not sure how long heat shrink will work, but there's about 4 layers there. Have a good day.